Google's AI tools update are insane. Today I'm going to show you Google AI tools that just dropped. These are absolute game changers. I'm talking about a browser that builds apps from your tabs, an AI that lets you try on any outfit instantly, and a tool that turns your messy ideas into polished presentations. This is stuff most people don't even know exists yet. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use each one to grow your business faster. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. All right, so Google released 3 AI tools that are absolutely insane, and I'm going to walk through each one, show you what they do, how they work, and most importantly, how you can use them right now to scale your business and save hundreds of hours. Because here's the thing, most people are still doing everything manually. They're spending hours on research, hours creating content, hours trying to figure out what works, but these tools change everything. So let me show you exactly what's new. First up, let's talk about Google Disco. Disco is a brand new experimental browser from Google Labs. And it has this crazy feature called Gen Tabs. Now, here's what makes this different from every other browser you've ever used. Gen Tabs takes all your open tabs and turns them into custom interactive apps. No coding required. You just describe what you need, and the browser builds it for you using Gemini 3. Let me explain how this actually works. You know how you end up with 20 tabs open when you're researching something? Maybe you're planning a trip or comparing products, or researching a topic for content. Normally, you have to jump between all those tabs. Take notes, try to piece everything together. It's a mess. GenTabs fixes that. It looks at all your open tabs, it understands what you're trying to do, and it creates a custom mini app right inside your browser to help you complete the task. The AI actually writes the code for you in real time. You never touch a single line of code, you just tell it what you want. The crazy part is how smart it is. GenTabs doesn't just look at what's on your screen right now, it also uses your chat history with the AI to understand context. So if you've been chatting about marketing strategies and then you open tabs about email automation tools, GenTabs knows you're looking for email tools for marketing, and it will suggest creating a marketing automation workflow planner. It's proactive, it anticipates what you need before you even ask. And everything links back to the original sources. So if GenTabs pulls information from a website, it includes the link. You can verify everything, you can dig deeper if you want. It's not just making stuff up. It's organizing real information from real websites that you actually have open. That's what makes it so powerful. It's grounded in actual web content. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Disco, Doppel, and Mixboard. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab. Now, here's the thing. Disco with GenTabs is currently only available on macOS, and it's waitlist only right now. Google is starting small, getting feedback, figuring out what works, but this technology is huge because if it works well, it could completely change how we use browsers. Instead of just viewing static web pages, your browser becomes a tool that actively helps you complete tasks. That's a massive shift, and Google has hinted that successful features from Disco might eventually make it into Chrome. So this could be the future of web browsing. All right, next up is Doppel, and this one is wild. Doppel is Google's new AI fashion app. It lets you try on any outfit virtually using just your phone. You upload a photo of yourself, then you can try on any clothing you see anywhere, on Instagram, on a friend, in a store, anywhere. Right? And Doppel creates realistic images and videos showing you wearing those clothes. It's like having an infinite virtual wardrobe. Now you might be thinking, how does this help my business? Stay with me, because the technology behind this is incredible, and the applications go way beyond fashion. But let me first explain how it actually works. You download the Doppel app. It's available on iOS and Android in the US. Right now, you upload a full body photo of yourself, or you can use one of their AI generated models if you don't have a photo ready. Then you start browsing outfits. Doppel has a discovery feed. It's like Instagram, but for fashion. You scroll through AI generated outfit videos. Each one is personalized based on your style preferences. When you see something you like, you tap it, and Doppel instantly shows you wearing that outfit. It doesn't just paste clothes onto your photo. It uses advanced AI to make it look realistic. The clothes fit your body, they move naturally, the lighting matches, it looks real. But here's where it gets really useful for business. You can upload any photo of any outfit, a screenshot from Instagram, a photo from a website, even just a photo you took of someone on the street, and Doppel will put that outfit on you. This means you can experiment with different styles instantly. You can see what works before you ever buy anything. You can create content showing different looks without actually owning all those clothes. Now, let me show you how this applies to business beyond fashion. The underlying technology here is about AI understanding clothing, understanding how fabric drapes, understanding body shapes, understanding how to realistically apply visual elements to people. That same technology can be used for so many things: product visualization, brand imagery, marketing materials. The fashion application is just the beginning. What's really happening here is AI is getting incredibly good at understanding and manipulating visual content. That has huge implications for content creators, for marketers, for anyone who needs visual assets, because you can create way more content way faster without expensive equipment, without professional photographers, just AI doing the work. Doppel also has a collections feature. You can save looks you like, organize them, share them with friends. This is actually useful for brand style guides. You could create collections of visual styles for your brand, save reference images, keep everything organized, then use that as inspiration for your actual content creation. And Doppel recently got upgraded with a personalized discovery feed. It learns what you like. It shows you more of that. The direct shopping links are interesting too. When you see an outfit you like, you can shop the actual product. So that's the bridge between inspiration and action. And that same model works for any kind of content. Show people something cool, make it easy to take action. That's good marketing. Now let's talk about Mixboard. This one might be my favorite of the three because it solves a problem everyone has. How do you go from a messy brainstorm to a polished final product? Mixboard is Google's answer. It's an AI-powered visual concepting board. Think of it like Pinterest meets Canva meets Gemini. You throw ideas onto a board, images, text, notes, whatever, and then Mixboard helps you organize it, expand it, and now turn it into actual presentations. The big update that just dropped is presentations powered by something called Nano Banana Pro. That's Google's latest image generation model built on Gemini 3, and it's specifically designed to create high-quality visuals with readable text. That's huge because most AI image generators struggle with text, but Nano Banana Pro nails it. So now Mixboard can take your messy board of ideas and turn it into a beautiful professional presentation with clear text and high-quality images. Now, here's what makes this incredible for business. Normally, creating a presentation takes hours. You start with a blank slide deck. You try to figure out what to say. You find images. You adjust layouts. You tweak colors. You move things around. It's tedious. With Mixboard, you dump everything you're thinking about onto the board. Then AI does all that tedious work for you. You get a first draft in 20 minutes. Then you can refine it, tweak it, make it yours, but the hard part is done. And here's something cool. You can now create multiple boards within a single project. So you can have one board for brainstorming, one board for research, one board for final concepts. Keep everything organized but connected. That's useful for complex projects where you need to separate different phases of work. For anyone creating content regularly, Mixboard is a game changer because content creation is usually bottlenecked by design and organization. You have the ideas, you have the information, but turning that into something polished takes forever. Mixboard speeds that up dramatically, and because it's powered by Gemini 3 and Nano Banana Pro, the quality is really good. It's not producing garbage. It's producing professional looking materials. Think about all the content you need to create for your business: social media posts, training materials, client presentations, sales decks, webinar slides, course content, email graphics. All of that starts with ideas. Mixboard helps you go from ideas to finished products faster. And when you can create content faster, you can create more content, you can test more things, you can reach more people. That's how you grow. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Disco, Doppel, and Mixboard. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab.